Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am trying a beautiful sunflower. I love drawing and painting so much. You can try to draw with me. Drawing is a beautiful art from that can capture the world around us in a unique and expressive way. It's a way of communicating ideas and emotions without words, and it can be enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels. There is something magical about the way a simple pencil or a piece of charcoal can transform a blank piece of paper into a whole new world with just a few strokes. You can create a delicate flowers and powerful ideas. A sunflower drawing is a picture of big, bright flower. It looks like a circle with yellow petals around it and a brown center in the middle. The petals are like the sun rays. Some people draw it with a tall green stem and green leaves. It's a happy and sunny picture that makes people smile. Sunflower drawing are simple and make us think of warmth and happiness. Thank you so much you watching my video. If you like my video, then like and share it. Also subscribe. Thank you.